Okay, we are back to fill the rest of the hole in. Our mate's the mate that we're doing this for, throwing some glass in. No, we haven't got that much more to do. So we're over halfway, 2/3. It's sunk a little bit in the rain. Bit that we've done. We will sort of level all this back out, but it's a big sort of dip. You might not be able to see on the camera, but just where it's been raining a lot, it's sunk it down a bit. But yeah, you'll see us in the clip bring the digger over. You can see in the background. There, somewhere there. I can point to it. So yeah, we'll jump on the machine. We'll yeah, start filling all this back in and we'll level it all out. Yeah, happy days. Enjoy. Our mate that we're doing this for said there was loads of metal poles. Don't know what they were for. Don't know if you can see where I am. Sitting over here before we started digging. They said just throw them in as well, but yeah, just gonna throw them all. Probably shouldn't, but he's asked us to, so gonna do it. That is what's inside. We lift it up to refuel it. Obviously, got your fuel tank, got your engine, battery. Everything's pretty accessible. It is all crammed in, but it will be on these small machines here at the back because it won't go down. So maybe just pull it towards you, give it a tug, and it will come down. And as I go to close it, of course, there's a twig in the way. But yeah, let's finish this off. Okay, done. Okay, I've shunted all the excess back over there. Need to have a little rake over it, sort this out. Digger's nearly out of diesel, and yeah, I can't get more diesel. But yeah, if you actually stand back and look at it, it's done pretty well. Here's literally just this bit here, but I'll tidy it out in with a rake. Little mound there, I'll just push up against the fence. All the excess, most of it's in the over there in the pile. But no, it hasn't done too bad here. So yeah, that's the hole filled in. Come from the other side, and then you can see. No, it's done pretty well. Considering what was there before, it was just an overgrown pit. But filled it all in. Clouds coming over. Thank you for watching part 2, or this video shall I say, if this is your first one. Yeah, we'll be doing more videos like this with the little digger and other bits and pieces. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, it does help. And yeah, catch you on the next video. Cheers.
Yeehaw!